So here's the notch punch die for box board, which we call it like supermarket shelf board for the left and the right side, which will be mounted on the forming machine. Here is the cutting and bending die unit. This is the forming machine. We have applied for this sort of the chain transmission, but on top of each chain, we have put this kind of the expansion wheel. You can see this is the wheel or the gear which is used for the chain, and on top of the chain we made this sort of the gear. It will enhance the chain transmission. So the notch die will mount it in this place, left and the right leveling, and this sort of the PU roller will clamp in the material for feeding, anti-friction, anti-slip. This is how we made the machine. This is the sensor, 欧姆龙。Here is the 5 roller, 7 roller leveling. And even for width change, we have applied the servo motor. And this is the main motor we have applied for servo motor delta.